Growing up in the Philippines, I would help my mom cook Filipino food. Years later, when I became vegan, I learned that Filipino food can also be vegan without losing its soul. I wanted to share this discovery with family, friends, and with you. Kain na! Let's eat! Maja Blanca is a Filipino pudding made of creamy coconut milk and sweet corn kernels, topped with coconut milk curds or latik. It's thickened and served in slices. Filipinos enjoy Maja Blanca as a sweet snack or dessert. Now that I learned how to make Maja Blanca, I realized it's simple to make, it requires only few ingredients, and best of all, it's traditionally vegan Filipino. I'll show you how to make it. Here's what we'll need. 2 cups of coconut cream, 1/2 cup of organic sugar, pinch of salt, 3/4 cup of sweet corn kernels. Now, some versions use cream-style corn, but personally, I like the crunchy whole kernel corn. 1/2 cup of cornstarch mixed in 1/2 cup of water. To make the topping, which is optional but it will be nice, 1/2 cup of coconut cream or 1/2 cup of toasted coconut flakes. You can line your container with banana leaves. First, turn on the stove. Then let's combine the coconut cream, sugar, a little bit of salt, and the corn kernels. Once the sugar has dissolved, we're going to add the cornstarch mixture. You keep mixing until we reach the paste-like consistency. This is the consistency that we want. Very thick and paste-like. And look at those beautiful tidbits of yellow corn kernels. It smells divine in this kitchen. Just line your container with banana leaves. It's totally optional, but what it does is that it infuses a beautiful aroma and also nice flavor into the Maja Blanca. Then we'll transfer the Maja Blanca into our container. So bring it down to room temperature and then put it in the fridge to firm up for at least 1 hour. While we're waiting for the Maja Blanca to set, let's make the topping, the latik. This is about 1/2 cup, but you're more than welcome to use more. The amount is really up to you. But I would suggest to make it worth your effort to use at least 1/2 cup. As you're cooking your latik, you will notice that there's going to be some oil separation. You can reserve that oil, set aside, and use it to cook other dishes. Maja Blanca is a perfect sweet snack or dessert for your next party. I'm sure your guests will be pleasantly surprised to enjoy corn in a whole new way. Or if they grew up eating Maja Blanca, then I'm sure it will bring back some happy memories. For the full recipe and other vegan Filipino recipes, just go on astigvegan.com. I'm also on social media and I'd love to hear from you. Just use the hashtag #AstigVegan so I can see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. My name is RG at AstigVegan, letting you know that Filipino food can be vegan, healthy, and delicious without losing its soul. Kain na, let's eat!
Yeah, I got a 2-bedroom place for them, but